In this demonstration, I'll showcase how to set up a sandbox account on Certinext. So on the login page, you'll find options to sign up for either an enterprise or partner account. Select the options to create an enterprise account and fill in the required details, right? So once all these details are input, an activation link will be sent to the registered email address, right? So as you can see, my email address that I've provided. After finishing by providing all these details, I'll open my email address and click on the activation link to set a password for my Sandbox account. The account is created successfully. Now I need to open my registered email inbox. As you can see here, the activation link email is available. Simply click on the activation link, set the password for the account as per the password policy. Enter the new password followed by confirmation of the password and submit the password. So once this password is set, we need to log into our sandbox. So let's go to the login page, input the registered email ID followed by the password, and log into my sandbox account. So now successfully the sandbox account is created and logged in to the account. Similarly, we can follow the steps and create an account as a partner. Simply click on the sign up as a partner, input the necessary details like name, email address, phone number, organization. Similarly, the activation link will be sent to the registered email address. We need to open the registered email address inbox, click on the activation link and set the password for the sandbox account. So since this is a partner portal, we need to select what type of vendor is the partner. In this case, I'll go ahead with IT consultants, submit, and hence the account is created. Now navigating to the registered email address inbox, as you can see, the activation link is available. I click on it and I'll reset the password. Similarly, with as per the password policy, input the passwords and then create a new password for the sandbox account. Navigate to the mSign login page, enter the registered email ID and the password. Hence, the account is successfully created and logged into the Sandbox account.